My name is Tori Peters. I am an entrepreneur, artist, and author and illustrator of the book, The Power of Words for Teens. So today I'm actually going to be going over how to draw a wolf. Yeah, so if that's what you're here to draw, then you are in the right place. So we can go ahead and jump straight into that. So when I do it, here we go. I always start off with the nose. So what I'll do is I'll do a little, like, I guess, curved line, like right there. And then I'll bring it down and do an open mouth, because he will be howling, right? Okay. And then we'll go up and we'll do where his eyes are, right here. You'll go straight down from that nose line and then sort of bring it up in a rounded way and then round it off this way. And then you'll draw the ear right there, right? And then we'll go back down to where the mouth is, which is almost a triangle shape right there. And then you'll bring it down and you're gonna draw his neckline. So normally you can make it like a super skinny wolf if you want, and that would go like that. But I'm not, most wolves like that you see in pictures and stuff are not so skinny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it down and give him a nice little puffed up chest. And if you want, you can give him some hair down there to sort of show it. So there's puffed up chest line. And then right where his ear is, or a little bit further down, I'm gonna do the top bit of his neck. Bring it down. Do almost a little curve down here, because his back sways that way. And then do a curve up like this, and then bring it down for the tail. So it looks like that. And then we'll bring his feet down. I'm just gonna do little points for the feet because I think they look pretty cool. And then we'll bring his stomach down. A little bit further. And then we'll do his legs. And legs for animals are almost always rounded right here. And then they go down. And do this little, when like you're drawing a more realistic animal, you would do it more like this, where you bring it down, and then they always have this little like square almost, like corner here for their legs, and then their feet come down and do sort of like that thing. That's sort of just a quick little sketch on animal legs or horse legs in general. They always do that. And so we'll bring down this way because I want to see where the back of him is. Sort of bring it into a point, and then since we've got that point as our little reference, we could bring this side down into the point as well, and it makes a lot more sense then. It looks better that way. There you go. So there's one back leg, and then he's got another back leg in there. So what you want to do is you want to mimic that first shape and then bring it down a little bit like further forward Actually, I don't like the shape of this one, so we're gonna bring it back a little bit more and make him look like he's got his leg pointing in a different direction. See? Because we're actually gonna use that first shape for the first leg that's coming forward. So you wanna bring it down and make him taking his leg backwards instead. And I feel like this is a little bit sharp, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the corner a little less forward there. There we go. And then I feel like this leg is really fat, and honestly this wolf is kind of fat to begin with, so maybe I'll just leave his leg like that. And then we'll bring another leg forward just like this. And actually, there we go. So the wolf that I made is a little bit fat, but if you vary the sizes a little bit, then your wolf will look like he eats a lot less than mine. And I'll show you like the first example of how I drew this wolf to begin with, because I almost like that one a little bit better, like to practice. So I'll show you the draft of that one as well. And then you'll bring his tail down, and I like to give it like fur so that it looks like his tail has different depth in the fur. So I always give it little spikes down there. And then if you want, I'm actually going to make this wolf pretty solid, but if you want to color him in, this one is obviously more of a cartoon wolf, but yeah, so there you go. Cool. So that is how you draw a wolf. I actually gave him a second ear, and then I'm just going to color in these little pieces down here at the bottom because they would be shadowed anyway. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if it helped you, subscribe, because I would love to have you join my little community here that I'm building, and the more subscribers I have, the just bigger the community is, and the more fun we get to have throughout this. Cool. So let's do something in the comment section below. How about tell me whether or not you believe werewolves are real. Do you believe in werewolves or no? So let me know in the comments below, and yeah, I'd like to know that. Honestly, I think werewolves are pretty cool, so if they were real, that'd be pretty awesome. But I don't really know if they're real or not. So let me know in the comments below if you believe in werewolves or not. And I hope you guys have a great adventure today, and I'll see you later. Bye!